Are you holding off on buying a new tablet because you are waiting for the iPad mini 8? Are you hoping for a massive, game-changing upgrade that will blow your mind? Let me tell you a little secret right now. Waiting for the iPad mini 8 might be a huge mistake. Should you just buy the iPad mini 7 today instead? Yes, and I am going to explain exactly why. Welcome back to the channel. I am a massive iPad maniac. I have bought and collected almost every single iPad out there. From the high-end iPad Pro to the standard basic iPads, I have owned about 20 different models over the years. But out of all of them, the iPad mini series is my absolute favorite. I use my iPad mini 7 for absolutely everything. I watch videos, reply to messages, send emails, and play games on it. It is always in my hands. Even though I have a cheaper iPad Air right next to me, my usage of the mini is overwhelmingly higher. The current iPad mini 7 came out in 2024. Now, there are wild rumors spreading online about the next generation. People are already talking about the iPad mini 8. Since I am a daily user of this device, I want to share the latest leaks with you. If you are confused about whether to wait or buy today, you really need to hear this. The biggest rumor is that the iPad mini 8 will finally be the ultimate tablet. The most massive rumored upgrade is a vibrant OLED display. The image quality will be unbelievable, and it might improve overall battery life. Another exciting rumor is about the internal chip. The Mini 8 might get the brand new A19 Pro chip. This is the exact same powerful chip expected inside the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro. This would massively boost its raw power and artificial intelligence capabilities. People also say it will support blazing fast Wi-Fi 7. The physical size might get slightly larger, giving us a bigger screen area. There is even a crazy rumor that the new iPad mini could be fully waterproof. Some leakers say Apple might remove the traditional speaker holes completely. The sound would come directly out from behind the screen display itself. If true, the Mini 8 would basically become a true mini iPad Pro. But here is the big catch you need to consider. A massive upgrade always means a massive price jump. Rumors suggest the starting price could increase to $599. Depending on global exchange rates, this could become incredibly expensive for many buyers around the world. Right now, the iPad mini 7 is much more affordable. Also, the new display might still be locked at a basic 60Hz refresh rate. Many people want a super smooth 120Hz screen, but that might simply not happen. Now, let me give you my honest reality check. I do not think the iPad mini 8 will actually have all these crazy features. An OLED, waterproof iPad mini is highly unlikely to happen anytime soon. Apple does not update the iPad mini very often. When they finally do, they rarely make dramatic design changes. The last real full model change was the iPad mini 6. Before that, the design stayed exactly the same for years. It always had big chunky bezels and the classic home button. The Mini 6 finally gave us the modern, flat-edge look. Since we are only on the Mini 7 right now, it is way too early for another massive redesign. Look at the iPad Air. It has looked basically identical for years. Apple's current trend is to keep the exterior designs the same and just update the chip. This brings me to my absolute best opinion about this product. The iPad mini 7 is a brilliant, flawless device that is entirely worth your money right now. As a heavy daily user, I cannot imagine how they could make it significantly better for normal everyday use. A little extra battery life would be nice. But Apple keeps almost all iPads locked to a 10-hour battery life standard. Even if they magically add an hour of battery, it is not a life-changing update. When the Mini 7 was just a rumor, people also said it would get OLED in a huge redesign. In reality, it just got a new chip and fixed a minor scrolling issue. So, you should fully expect the iPad mini 8 to just be a minor, boring chip upgrade as well. My best advice is to buy the iPad mini 7 right now. You do not need to wait for a rumor. Even the much older iPad mini 5 is still an amazing tablet today. It runs smoothly and supports the latest operating system. The truly crazy thing about Apple products is that iPads hold their resale value incredibly well.
A used Mini 5 or Mini 6 still sells for a surprisingly
high price on the used market. If you buy a Mini 7 today, it is the absolute best value for your money. Apple products are always best bought the exact moment you want them. The Mini gives you a completely different, much better experience for reading books and watching videos compared to a massive phone. It is super light, very fast, and completely fully formed. It does everything you need without any compromises. It acts as the perfect bridge between your phone and your laptop. Do not wait for a rumored Mini 8 that will likely just be a small, expensive update. The Mini 7 has zero real flaws for everyday use. You will absolutely love having it in your daily tech routine. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.